As we have already said, the class of microscopic nematodes, which are separate sex animals, holds a surprise in store for us. In addition to being born from eggs laid externally, embryos can also hatch inside the mother, where they live inside her, feeding off her tissues until they have devoured her. In this tiny nematode we can see 2 embryos which are barely moving. Let's watch the birth of one of these nematodes which, like others born earlier, will not emerge from the mother but will remain inside her. After 24 hours, it has quite clearly grown. The tissues of the mother are a reliable and abundant source of food for him. Sometimes he will push out as far as his mother's mouth until it looks like he will come out, but then he retracts. Here the mother is almost devoid of all her tissue, which has all gone to feed her offspring. Inside her body there is only an embryo, which failed to hatch. A week later, this is all that is left of this generous mother. Searching in this 8mm sea, we came across her son. As the ancient Roman philosopher Lucretius said, in order to have life, there must be death. Thus, naught of what so seems perishes utterly, since nature ever upbuilds one thing from another, suffering naught to come to birth, but through some other's death.